in the current fast-growing electric vehicle industry. In order to significantly increase the overall range and reduce charging times, there is a higher requirement for heat dissipation to prevent thermal runaway and provide optimal vehicle operating temperatures to improve overall vehicle performance. Let's take the battery charging and discharging of an electric vehicle as an example. When the battery is charged or running, it generates a lot of heat. If this heat is not dissipated effectively in a timely manner, it may lead to a reduction in the charging and discharging performance of the battery pack, so as to decrease its running range and increase charging time. Most importantly, there is also an irreversible impact on the overall battery life. Thus, thermal management of electric vehicles is therefore an extremely popular and important part of new energy area.